is Randy Hofer. I am a multifaceted Canadian artist. Welcome to my studio. I'm so happy to have you here to talk about our top three tips on creating murals and diving into murals. So our number one tip is to find your style. It's really easy to discover what kind of mural you do by kind of going through everyone else's styles, and you can do that on Pinterest, Instagram, Google. That's the great thing about today, is that you can figure anything out on your own and you can take on any sort of project. I love creating boards on Pinterest. I love doing that with clients too, to get a sense of what kind of color palette they want to use in their space, what type of mural they want to do. So a lot of murals have like big text, and some are just a lot of big abstract color, and some involve portraiture. Like, there's so many types of murals out there, so we want you to discover what type of mural you love best. Our second tip is to create your design. You can create your design digitally or by hand. There are two methods that you can take on while doing that, and you can do that by a grid method, or you can use a projector. If you're an artist looking to scale your practice with murals and you're interested in doing exterior and interior murals, we can talk all about designing your mural and your piece, and we take you through start to finish, client relations, contracts, all of those things in the DIY mural for interiors and the scale your practice with murals for artists who are already creating so many things. There are just so many ways to approach design. It's a really fun aspect of making murals, but it's also a very crucial step to come into any project with knowing what your design is first. Because we never want you to throw something up on the wall, absolutely hate it, and have to take it all down. It's so much time and materials and your budget invested into projects such as these. Be prepared. We want you to show up super prepared for any project. We want you to have all of the right materials, right? So that's our biggest tip. You never want to show up and then have to run out to the hardware store to get what you need, or the art supply store. That could take like 2 to 4 extra hours out of your day and out of your design. So the biggest thing is to have your design ready, have all your materials there, have it all packed up and ready to go, or all set up before you get started. And of course, if you want to capture the whole process too, make sure you have your tripod and your time lapses ready to go. Being prepared for all these projects will really just take you on so many shortcuts, so you don't have to make those learning mistakes that I have spent years learning. Thank you so much for being here. I sure do appreciate it. I hope you love these tips, and you can go on to look into either DIY interior murals if you have smaller mural projects that are in your home or in your business, or you can check out our Expand Your Practice with Murals course for artists and creatives looking to expand their practice. So many opportunities have come my way because of expanding my practice with murals, and it made such a difference to my community outreach and my bottom line in general. And I want to share everything I know with you, so I can fast forward my almost 20 years of being a creative and helping you get there in just a few hours of learning in our self-paced courses and classes. And I really appreciate your time. I appreciate you being here. Please check out our Color Me Happy community, which is a free community on Facebook. It is also our podcast, Color Me Happy, where we feature our members and guests from that community, and we chat about what they're working on in their passions and their creative life. We also bring on really inspiring individuals and talk about all those raw, beautiful things about life. I also wrote a book, Color Me Happy, See Your Everyday Ordinary as Extraordinary, because here I am, a passionate, creative person, really just living every day, fitting all those beautiful things in: family, play, love, self-care, and work and whole life of truly living my passion. And I see that for you, and I hope for that for as many people in the world. So thank you so much. I sure do appreciate your time and your support. All the best.